What's up, YouTube? I'm working here on a BMW with an M54 engine. This is basically in a E46, X3s, X5s, and this is the 3.0 motor. So I'm working on a P0492 and a P0491 for secondary air. In this car, the first thing you want to do, check, is make sure that your hose going right here to your secondary air pump. This is your secondary air pump right here on the right hand side, on the passenger side, near the secondary air pump. If you want to take it out and test it with certain tools, you could activate it and see if it runs. With other tools, it does not work. So the best thing you could do is take it out and give it 12 volt power from the battery and see if the fan goes, if the motor starts up. If it does, the next thing you want to do is follow your hoses and make sure all your hoses are good. A typical failure area is right here. From the combi valve, there's a rubber hose right here. I'm going to zoom in right here. In my case, as you can see, get a little closer. As you can see, the hose right here is split. It's hard to tell on the camera, but as you can see right there, where my nail is, you can see that the hose is split. And so this wasn't giving proper air to the system. What you want to do is you want to follow this rubber line back and follow it all the way back. It goes into a hard line, but most likely this part right here, as it is in my case, is split. The hose will be split. What you could do is cut this off, see if you could pull it back on. If not, find another rubber hose like that, another rubber air hose, and proceed from there. Hopefully this tip helped you. There could be a few other causes for this. If you follow that hard line back, it goes, there's another plastic pipe that looks sort of like this that goes in the back of the engine. In my case, I already checked that was good. And in my case, I'm gonna have to replace this rubber hose right here. All right, guys, please, if this video helped you and that was your problem, hit me with a subscribe button. Helps me out a lot, helps you out. Thanks a lot, guys. Stay tuned for more.